In a lush, verdant valley, where the sun kissed the leaves and the wind whispered secrets, lived a vibrant lorikeet named Lirio. Lirio was not like the other birds. His feathers were a riot of colors, more radiant than any flower in the valley. One day, Lirio noticed a peculiar sight. A small, shriveled seed lay on the ground. It was overlooked by all, for its unassuming appearance camouflaged it against the earth. Lirio felt drawn to it, yet he didn't know why. He approached the seed, pecked at it, but it didn't budge. Frustrated, Lirio flew to the river, seeking advice from his elder, the wise old stork named Syrus. "What's troubling you, Lirio?" asked Syrus, with a gentle smile. Lirio told him about the seed. Syrus pondered for a moment before speaking. "That seed is not meant for you, Lirio. It's meant for someone who can help it grow." Lirio was confused. "But why me? I'm the most colorful bird in the valley. Surely, I should be able to do anything." Syrus shook his head. "Being colorful is not everything, Lirio. Sometimes, it's the unassuming that hold the greatest power." Lirio returned to the seed, looking at it with new eyes. He realized that the seed needed something he didn't have: patience and understanding. He decided to watch over the seed, ensuring no harm came to it. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Lirio continued to watch, never losing hope. One day, a tiny sprout poked out from the seed. Lirio was ecstatic. He had witnessed a miracle. The sprout grew into a tree, its branches bursting with vibrant, colorful flowers. Lirio looked at his reflection in the tree's mirror like leaves and smiled. He had learned a valuable lesson that true beauty and power come not from outward appearances, but from within, and from the choices we make. From that day forward, Lirio was no longer just a vibrant bird. He was a beacon of hope, a symbol of patience, and a reminder that even the smallest seed can grow into something extraordinary.